Morning all. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So let me ask you something. What all things will you draw when you get a canvas like this? So first let me check what will I draw when I get a canvas like this. So first I will draw a picture of an ice cream. Then I will draw the picture of a car. Then I will draw the picture of a tree. Then a house. And I will draw the picture of a balloon. So, did you notice something? I have drawn all the things that we see around us. So today we are going to learn a story about a boy who lives in Japan who knows only to draw cats. So the title of the story is The Boy Who Drew Cats, which is written by Hasegawa Takejiro. So let's see what happens in the story.
Once upon a time in Japan, there lived a poor farmer and his wife. They had a number of children. The elder son started to help his father when he was only 14 years old. The little girls also started helping their mother as soon as they could walk. But the youngest child was small and weak, but he was very clever. People said that he could never grow very big. So his parents decided to make him a priest. One day they took the boy to the priest in the village temple to make him an acolyte. The old man spoke to the boy and asked difficult questions. He replied all the answers cleverly. The priest agreed to take the boy into the temple and make him an acolyte and to educate him. Now we will look at the new words. Priest. What do you mean by priest? Priest means a person who is trained to perform religious duties. Acolyte. Acolyte means a person who is an assistant of priest. Lad means a boy. Now we will have a model reading of the text. Listen carefully. A long time ago, in a small country village in Japan, there lived a poor farmer and his wife who were very good people. They had a number of children and found it very hard to feed them all. The elder son was strong enough when only 14 years old to help his father, and the little girls learned to help their mother almost as soon as they could walk. But the youngest child, a little boy, did not seem to be fit for hard work. He was very clever, cleverer than all his brothers and sisters. But he was quite weak and small, and people said he could never grow very big. So his parents thought it would be better for him to become a priest than to become a farmer. They took him with them to the village temple one day and asked the good old priest who lived there if he would have their little boy for his acolyte and teach him all that a priest ought to know. The old man spoke kindly to the lad and asked him some hard questions. So clever were the answers that the priest agreed to take the little fellow into the temple as an acolyte and to educate him for the priesthood. Now we will discuss the textbook questions. The first question is, how is the youngest child introduced in the story? The second question is, why did the parents take the boy to the priest? You have to find out answer for these questions. The answer is given after this video. Thank you. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. We will meet in the next class.